Hello everyone, we are a group of final year students from Information Technology Department in College of Science and Technology under Royal University of Bhutan. Our members are Dubong Nurbu, Chadar Fenso, and myself, Sreng Elson, and we were guided by Mr. Bashiram Dungel, a faculty in College of Science and Technology, and we did a project on student activity record system. Why we came up with that topic? Because the current method to keep record of student activity is not effective, and there is no record kept for most of the activities, and the student cannot remember all the activities, and it is unsatisfactory for actively participants, and there's workload on student service officer and program leaders and head of departments while student rating. With this, we come up with that topic, and our aim is to develop a system that keeps record and monitors the activities of individual students. And our objectives are to identify and collect the required data, to identify tools and software to develop a system, to design a user interface and database, to design and implement the platform to keep the records of student activity from first itself, to develop a cross-platform app, to test the functionality of developed system, to generate a project document report. And in our project, in our system, our scopes are: we have login credential to create activities, they can generate QR code, they can save and share the QR code, scan the QR code, view the records, update their profile and password, and retrieve the entry the data. And this is the overview of our system. In our system, there are three users: privileged user, and admin. The privileged user, the one who creates the activity, and the normal users are the students who participate in the activities. The privileged user can create the activities and generate the QR code, whereas the student user can scan that QR code whenever they participate in the particular activity. So all their data will be stored in the database. From the database, the admin can retrieve and entry those data. So the software we used in our projects is our mock class for the prototype designing, Microsoft Visual for the database designing, and UML designing, and Flutter for the front end, Laravel for the back end, and Visual Studio is where we did our coding part. And now if I go on with the demo, firstly for the admin panel, we have recorded a video. So for the admin panel have allow sign-in credentials. With the correct credential, admin can log into the admin site. So once admin login, so admin can create the user. To create a user, you have to add. So you can create a user individually or in a bulk. So for that, to create user, admin have to give an email, password, and the role as a privilege or student. So admin can also add a user in a bulk from a CSV file. So in the CSV file, you have to mention the heading with the email, password, and role. So here admin can create the default password. Later on, the user can change it. So admin can view the list of the users. So admin can also create an activities and view the activities. And that's all for the admin. Now if I go on with the mobile app, this is the flash screen and this is the login. So from that login, If both the privileged user and normal user can log in. So firstly, for the privileged user, with the privileged credential, they can log into the privileged site, and for the privilege, they can create an activities providing the activity name, year, semester, categories, and the types. Types are inter-college and intra-college. Then from that, the privileged user can generate a QR code. That QR code can be shared and saved. Now for the normal user, from that same login site, a normal user can also log in with a normal user credential. So normal user can scan the QR code. QR code. If he tries to scan the QR code twice, it will give an error. If he tries to scan the QR code other than the QR code created by the privileged user, then he won't be able to scan it. And a normal user can update the profile, providing his name, student number, and the department. Even the normal user can update his or her password and even view the records. That's all for our system, and thank you.